Hey everyone, welcome back to Code with Ro. In today's lesson, we're going to explore variables and data types in JavaScript. Variables are like containers that store values, and data types define the kind of data a variable can hold. So let's get started. First, let's talk about variables. In JavaScript, we can declare a variable by using the let keyword. Let's create a variable named greeting and assign it to the value hello world. So I'll type in let greeting is equal to hello world, and I'll console.log the greeting. And now when I hit save, you'll notice that I'll still see the hello world in my console.log. It's printed onto the console. That's because the variable greeting holds the string value hello world. And we're using console.log to print that value. JavaScript has several data types. Let's go over some of the most common ones. So first, I'll create a name, and I'll call this row. Now this one is a string. Next, I'll let age is equal to, let's say, 25, and this one is a number. Next, I'll do let is developer is equal to true, and this is a boolean. And I'll create a let favorite framework, and let's make this one undefined. And let best language is equal to null, and this one is a null data type. Let's go in order. So a string, it's a sequence of characters like hello world or row. Number is any numerical value like 42 or 3.14. Boolean represents true or false. Undefined is a variable that has been declared but not assigned a value. And null represents the intentional absence of any object value. So now I'll put this in a console.log. So I'll do console.log name, age is developer, favorite framework, and best language. And I'll hit Control Save. And now you'll see all of these in order here, just under our hello world. Understanding data types is crucial because it affects how we perform operations and manipulate our data in our programs. And that's it for this lesson on variable and data types. In the next lesson, we'll dive in how to work with these data types and perform operations on them. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next lesson. If you want to support my channel, my Patreon is in the link below. Thank you.